Kasi makikita nyo na sa screen eh.
Talikod daw.
Pikit mata na lang, pikit. Ayan.
Papabayaran muna natin. Papabayaran muna natin ang bell.
Ayan. Ayan, telepono.
Sa akin yun.
Telepono. Okay, sige mo na. Mga
Sino
kaibigan, bakit tayo ng mga bell? Kasi ang bell, alam niyo mga kaibigan, merong isang Russian. Yan si Ivan Pavlov. He studied conditioning. He noticed that dogs salivated not just at food but at signals associated with feeding. Pag narinig yung ting ding ding dong 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 dong, ayan, alam na may kakain. To test this, he paired a neutral stimulus, bell, metronome, buzzer, or light with food. After repetition, the dogs began to salivate at the sound alone. Yan. So, ang everyday examples pala nitong Pavlov's bell na to ay yung phone. Hearing a ping makes you anticipate a message. Or school bells. Ayan, sabi. School bells. Students automatically prepare to leave or switch classes. At syempre, food advertising. Seeing a logo. Logo pa lang. Magugutom ka na.